badlala nge-19 January 2026 bedlala ne-Orbit College.
Yeah.
Bayikinyanga nje ingane. 9 shots. 6 on target. That is 67% clinicality. Baba inkinga.
Yeah.
Then bahamba bedlala futhi home. Bedlala ne-Al Hilal.
Yeah.
Sebedlala i-exam.
Okay, so
bedlala i-exam bashaya 13 shots.
Oh yeah.
5 on target. So that means bano 38% i-clinicality yabo.
Oh.
So bano 38% bona.
Yeah.
Ku-exam.
Yeah.
Kodwa kwi-test la bano 67.
Yeah, badrophile.
Baphinde badlala futhi nesikhukhune le elokhunjeni. Elimpompo.
Yeah.
Babhala kwakuyi-test ke leyo.
Okay.
Hayi mabebhala i-test 19 shots.
Oh.
9 on target.
Oh yeah.
Then that's 47%.
Oh.
At least bathe ukunyuka kancane.
Yeah, compared to
latest abayibhalile ne-Al Hilal. Kodwa naleyo test is not acceptable because babeyibhala ekhaya.
Oh.
Ushama ekhoni kunayo yonke into ilanga lishisi njengaleyo abazoyibhala away.
Oh.
Ye-exam.
Lebayibhala nge-30.
Hayi bahamba ke babhala nge-30.
Okay.
Babebhala nge-30. 13 shots.
Okay.
3 on target.
Yeah.
That's 27%.